Business transformation is ultimately driving updates in environments. So when maybe it's Gen AI, maybe it's security based, or any sort of other technology or business transformation that happens in an environment, it creates a situation where we then need to refresh any technical debt that might be in existence. So whether that's legacy routers and switches or firewalls, those things come into play to be able to create a foundation for clients to then transform and get to the next generation of capability. Generative AI at the edge is moving extremely rapidly, and it's creating a world where we need to be able to create the connectivity to be able to move data back and forth to the cloud very rapidly, but we also have to secure that data in transit as well as at rest. And all of that is very important to the generative AI models and the generative AI solutions that are being created on a day-to-day basis in client environments. So the edge is often easy to access, whether it's a wireless connection or a VPN endpoint. There are many different edges within a client's environment. So that's the first point of attack for any hacker that's looking for a way in. And ultimately, once they're in, they're going to look to spread within the environment. The pace of cyber attacks continues to accelerate. And as a result, the edge is one of the most commonly attacked locations within the environment. And the first step many attackers use is to get a set of credentials, and those credentials are then used to infiltrate an environment. So the first line of defense that we have is really the edge of the network and that security that we put first. Security considerations at the edge ultimately start with identity. Identity is that first step to, should you be at the edge? Should you be on the network? Once we've established that identity, what type of access should you have? So variable role-based access control ultimately leads us to network segmentation. That network segmentation creates a platform of security in that a given username or set of credentials can only access the things that it really should have access to.